What's up, guys? Cameron, Tech Support Supervisor with FuelTech USA, here again with Rodney Ragen, except for there's something different going on here. There's no blower on this.
No blower anymore.
So looks like you changed up your combinations a little bit, still doing Ultra Street.
Yes, sir.
Had a really good day on the dyno. Why don't you tell us how it went?
It went real well. Found a couple little problems again as usual. You guys sorted everything out. Killer job. I think we exceeded expectations.
Yep.
We know what we need to improve on, what we need to fix to get it to go a little faster. Real happy with everything you guys did. You helped me with the wiring.
Yep.
You walked me through the whole thing. I really appreciate that. Billy Pettis, BP Racing, did a killer job. He fitted everything back in there. It's a much simpler combination now.
Right.
Real happy.
Okay.
Real happy with everything you guys did.
Well, that's awesome. I mean, that's part of the deal when you go with a FuelTech system. You always get factory support from us, as well as whoever our dealers are. If you purchase it from one of them, you're getting support from them and us at the same time. It's a great deal. And anytime you're building a new combination or a new car, it's always great to put something on the dyno and figure out all the bugs, just because it's new car blues. That's how it goes. So I'm glad we were able to figure everything out. Made some really good power on the dyno today, and looks like you're going to Yellow Bullet, right?
We'll be at Yellow Bullet now.
So I'll be at Yellow Bullet there, and if you guys need anything, just come grab me. But thanks for coming on the dyno today. It went awesome.
I think we're set, and I think you saved us a few days at the track.
Definitely.
Appreciate everything you did, man.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
See you guys.